This is the demo for the bonus part of project 2, which is gossip. So as you can see, this is the bonus part which I've uploaded on EFE Learning. I'll download it now. So it is downloaded here. Let me open it. So this is the zip file and it is here. So these are the files within the project folder. One is code file, second one is the report where I've kept all my observations. So let me open the report. So this is the command to run the project. It takes 4 parameters: total number of nodes, failure node number. This is the number which specify how many nodes will fail in the cluster while it is executing. This is the topology and algorithm. What I'm trying to do here is basically in this failure model, I'll keep total number of nodes constant and I'll slowly increase the number of nodes which are supposed to be failing. What I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to record how the convergence is affected as I increase the failure number of nodes. So this is the giving description for that in detail, and these are my observation for gossip algorithm for all the topologies. As you can see, I have kept the total number of nodes as 1000 and I'm slowly increasing the number of failed nodes, and how the convergence is affected. So how I'm recording convergence is I'm recording how many number of nodes are actually getting converged when a certain number of nodes are failing. So this is what I'm recording. These are my observations. Similarly, I'm doing and I've plotted this graph. Similarly, I have done this for push sum algorithm as well for all the topologies. Here I'm keeping the total number of nodes as 200 and I'm slowly increasing the number of failed nodes, and I'm recording how many nodes are actually getting converged. Now let's see what's happening in the code. So in the code, what I'm trying to do is I'm taking the arguments from the command line, and as you can see, this is the total number of failed nodes. So let me go to the supervisor node. So this is the supervisor actor which is actually starting all the child actors. It builds the topology, then here it builds the cluster, and in this block what it does is it randomly selects a certain number of nodes according to the given parameter of failed nodes and randomly selects in the cluster, and it saves those nodes indexes in this node failure list. As you can see, it is randomly selecting and saving indexes of those nodes which are supposed to be failing in this node failure list. So this node failure list is of int type. That's where we are saving the randomly selected indexes of nodes which are supposed to be failing. Let's go to the child actor node. In the child actor node, when the execution starts, this block. So what happens is after receiving 2 messages, the child actor checks whether it is present in the failure list or not. If it is present, then it gives itself the poison pill and it kills itself. So that's how the failure model is simulated. Child actor is getting randomly killed, and those child actors which are supposed to be dying, they are selected randomly by supervisor. And let's run the program now. Let me select the command. So initially I'm running it for gossip algorithm. So I'll keep the total number of nodes as 1000. I want to fail 200 nodes. I'll run it for line topology and gossip algorithm. So here I'm printing what nodes were selected for failure. So as you can see, this 282 is failed. That is, these nodes are randomly selected by supervisor to fail. and I'm also printing how many nodes actually converged in the whole cluster. So in this case, only 133 nodes converged. Let's run it for different topology. I'll run it for 2D now. In this case also, you can see these are the randomly selected failed nodes, and the total number of nodes which were converged are 828. I'll run the demo for the push sum algorithm now. Here I'll run the command for total number of nodes as 200. I'll fail 25 nodes. I'll run it for line topology and push sum algorithm. In this case also, you can see these are the randomly failed nodes, and total number of nodes which are converged are 73. So I'm keeping those observations in the table. Let's run it for a different topology. So this is the observation in the case of full topology for push sum algorithm. 175 nodes were converged. So this is the demo. Thank you.